Bearing. It is a device that is used everywhere, from children's toys to home appliances to heavy equipment. Without this bearing, nothing will work. So, do you guys know? What is this bearing? How is this bearing constructed? Or how it works? So let's discuss it in this video. This is the outer ring of the bearing. Inside this outer ring, this type of groove is made. After that, the second part is the inner ring. And the outside of the inner ring groove is made like this. These is the steel balls that are used in between inner ring and outer ring. And the last is the ball cages that are used to trap balls inside the bearing and keep them proper aligned. Now let's see how bearing is constructed. First of all, this is outer ring, and inside this ball are kept like as you see here. Then after inner ring will place and fix like this. Now all steel balls will kept in position as you see here. So now friends, I hope you will understand that is why groove inside the outer ring and outside the inner ring are made. Because this groove helps to rotate bearing. Lastly, both cages are kept and fixed like this. And our bearing get ready. Hope you liked this video. To watch this type of 3D animation video, don't forget to subscribe the channel.